Alright guys, I'm doing a review of these Made Good Granola Minis. These are the strawberry versions. This is on sale, and of course if you look here, they're free from like peanuts and eggs and stuff like that. So yeah, and here is the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Here's the here's the ingredients. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so they're really small pack, about 24 grams. Let's open it up. Okay, so there it is. It does have a strawberry aroma to it, which is cool. That's what they look like. It has that strawberry aroma to it, but it tastes like a regular granola cluster. Slightly sweet. Has a berry aroma to it. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.